Student, I welcome you to the commerce class. Today's topic is financial market. Introduction of financial market. Financial market is the market creation and exchange of financial assets. Meaning of financial market. Market wherein financial instruments such as financial claims, assets and securities are traded is known as financial market. Indian financial system is divided into two, organized and unorganized. Organized financial system, regulators, financial institutions, financial market, financial service. Unorganized financial system, money lenders, indigenous bankers. Definition of financial market. According to Brigham Young, the place where people and organizations wanting to borrow money are brought together with those having surplus fund is called a financial market. Scope of financial market. Scope of Indian financial market provides financial assistance to individuals, agriculture sectors, industrial sector, service sector, financial institutions, examples, banks, insurance sectors, provident funds, and the government as a whole. Types of financial market. What are the types of financial market? Can you guess? Yes, on the basis of type of financial claim. Debt market. Debt market is the financial market or trading in debt instrument, that is government bonds or securities, corporate debentures or bonds. Equity market. Equity market is the financial market for trading in equity shares of companies on the basis of maturity of financial claims. Money market is the market for short-term financial claims, usually 1 year or less. Example, treasury bills, commercial paper, certificates of deposits. Capital market. Capital market is the market for long-term financial claims more than a year. Example, shares, debentures. On the basis of time of issue of financial claim. Primary market. Primary market is a term used to include all the institutions that are involved in the sale of securities for the first time of sale. Secondary market. Secondary market is the market for securities that are already issued. Stock exchange is an important institution in the secondary market on the basis of timing of delivery of financial claim. Cash or spot market. Spot market is a market where the delivery of the financial instruments and payment of cash occurs immediately, that is, settlement is completed immediately. Forward or future market. Future market is a market where the delivery of assets and payment of cash takes place at a predetermined time frame in future on the basis of organizational structure of the financial market. Exchange traded market. It is a centralized organizations with standardized procedures. Over the counter market. Counter market is a decentralized market outside the stock exchange with customized procedures. Role of financial market. A financial market is a great use for country as it helps the economy in the following manner: savings, mobilization, obtaining funds from the reserves or surplus. Obtaining funds from the savers or surplus, it refers to creating safe and sound institutions. Investment. In an economic sense, an investment is the purchase of goods, but we are used in future to create wealth. National growth. And national growth is the increase in the market value of goods. Entrepreneurship growth, it means organization plan to achieve its objectives to grow and expand a business. Example, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg. Industrial development. Industrial development means is the building and growing of industries within an economy. These industries includes mass production, technological advances and other services. Example, coal mining business. Thank you.